Welcome to the 2018 Sunset Idea House in Beverly Hills. Come on in.
This is the 20th anniversary of our Sunset Idea House program. So for 20 years, we've been partnering with various design teams all across the West to build or remodel a home packed with ideas for Western living. It's a 1950s era ranch house, approximately 2,000 square feet. And what we chose to do was to focus our energy on opening it up to the outdoors. I think lighting is what sets the mood of the entire space. And whether you are entertaining guests, a table for 20, or reading to your kids at night, or relaxing, after work with a glass of wine, lighting is what sets the environment instantly. Well, this house is fairly low slung, so we had to respond to that in terms of the lighting. One of the things I love the most is the chandelier above the dining table, which sets the whole tone for the main living area and pulls it all together.
We wanted to create kind of an intimate space to just sit and relax. We've got some cool floor lamps and this really fun little piece over here on the side table. And over here we have the study.
Well, the masculine, clubby environment of the office, what I thought would look really good there is a industrial task lamps. And I love the curve and the profile that breaks up the linearity of that room.
All right, we can walk back here to master bedroom number 1.
One of my absolute favorite pieces in the whole house are the bedside sconces in the master bedroom. They're long and black and modern, and they contrast with the neutral serenity of the room. So they really make a statement.
So we're in the hallway, headed toward the second master bedroom.
One of my other favorite elements in the space are the pair of ceramic lamps in one of the bedrooms. And what I love about that is the difference in texture. It adds a handmade style finish to the space. One of my other favorite applications for Lamps Plus in this space is what I call the porthole light. I know that's not its real name, but what we chose to do was suspend it over the adjacent dining room lounge, and it creates a modern atmosphere, but also serves to carve out a conversation area. For this kitchen, we wanted to keep things minimal, but add some task lighting and also add an accent for that corner of the room. So we chose a series of 3 pretty low-key pendants, but when you put them all together, they draw the eye to that part of the room. This house is all about the garden, so not lighting it properly at night is a wasted opportunity. What I love about those downlights are the black finish that looks really crisp against the greenery. I'm a huge Lamps Plus fan. I love sites with vast inventories. So this house happens to be a mid-century style house. I have a Victorian, but I can find a great selection for both at Lamps Plus.